Hey friends, this is Atif over here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Filecoin has recently broken out another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart after breaking out a quite long-term down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this was the descending triangle that I was showing you. And now you can see that after the breakout, the price line is rejected by this resistance of $4.60. In fact, this is a complete resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. And at the same time, if we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that stochastic on the daily time frame chart has entered the overbought zone, and even RSI has also touched the overbought zone as well. And both oscillators are turned bearish. You can see that stochastic has given us a bear cross as well, like this blue line has crossed down this orange line. There is a bear cross, and therefore now there is a probability that the price end may retest the previous resistance of this triangle as a support before the next move to the upside. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this big and long-term down channel on the same daily time frame chart. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. Now we are switched to the 7-day time frame chart, and here you can see that from the month of December 2020 up till the month of October 2023, the price has been moving inside this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40 and also got stuck inside this channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for iron layer, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of October 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this is a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after clicking this play button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. This was a very powerful pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, even for the past several weeks, since after the month of July 2024, it was moving inside this descending triangle, and it was moving inside this channel, previous channel. We found the support and resistance of the triangle that at that time, you can see that we got a few rejections here, bounce here, almost had another rejection here, bounce, rejection, and this was another rejection. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and finally we have broken out the resistance, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5 has been breaking at the resistance zone here, support zone here, support zone here, resistance, resistance, support. And for several weeks a month, it has been breaking at the support zone here as well. Therefore, again, it's breaking as a resistance. And at the same time, now I'm moved back to the daily time frame chart. We can see that both oscillators, stochastic and RSI, are entered the oversold zone and turned bearish now. We have also received a bear cross by the stochastic as well. Therefore, now there is a probability that we may see some price correction. In fact, that price correction has just begun, and before the next move to the upside, the price may retest the previous resistance of this triangle as a support, and then it may make another attempt to break out this resistance zone. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle can be here. That is approximately at $5.89 or 90 cents. And the target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $11.80. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for this breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.